नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। Today's topic is ADL, Activity of Daily Living. Activity of daily living are the activities usually performed in the course of a normal day in the individual's life, such as eating, working, or brushing the teeth. The activity of ADL including maintaining safe environment to achieve personal and demonstrate cleanliness and aim at decreasing the number of microorganisms to maintain a safe environment. Communication is the process of exchanging thought, idea, of feeling for one individual to others. Verbal and non-verbal communication. Breathing. In the breathing process, the cell of the body receive air, oxygen, essential for the all of the body cells, without which human life would not exist. Eating and drinking, eliminating personal cleaning and dressing, controlling body temperature, mobilizing, working and playing, expression, sexuality and reproduction, in style of dress, physical appearance, and in many form of verbal and non-verbal communication are the other way in which sexuality is expressed. Sleeping, spirituality, dying, factor influence the activity of daily living. Body physical factors possible have body physically ability alert according to the age. Example की reduce physical ability in the old age. The physical factor of the body has an important influence on the individual's activities of daily living throughout the life. Cardiopulmonary system with the ADL of the breathing, the musculoskeletal system with the ADL of mobilizing. Physiological factor, intellectual aspect, emotional aspect, socio-cultural factor, environmental factor, politico-economic factor, ideal by its normal. Implication of the human need in nursing practice. Knowledge of human need help nursing to understand themselves to so that they can meet the personal need outside the health or healthcare setting. Maintenance of body temperature. Set priorities as in giving care. Example के लिए working and playing will assume a low priority during a period of critical illness. Better to understand patient behavior so that they can respond therapeutically rather than emotionally. Relative the distress of patient. Helping a patient to meet his unmet need of love and affection to get usual ages. Help client to develop and grow, provide a framework and be applied in the nursing process. Thank you.